If you've invested in Fundrise and now want to withdraw your money, it's important to understand how the process works. Fundrise is a long-term real estate investment platform, so withdrawals are not instant like a bank account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money from Fundrise step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to request a withdrawal and what to expect. First, go to the Fundrise website and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to your portfolio section where you can see your investments and account balance. Next, look for the option called Withdraw or Request Redemption. Click on it to begin the withdrawal process. Now, choose the amount you want to withdraw. Fundrise may allow full or partial withdrawals depending on your investment plan. Enter the amount carefully. After that, select your linked bank account where you want the money to be transferred. If you haven't added a bank account yet, you'll need to link one before proceeding. Before confirming, review the details. Fundrise may show you any applicable fees or restrictions. Some investments have holding periods, and early withdrawals might include penalties. Once everything looks correct, submit your withdrawal request. Now, here's the important part. Fundrise processes withdrawals through scheduled redemption periods, not instantly. It can take several days or even weeks for your request to be processed and the money to reach your bank account. You can track the status of your withdrawal request in your dashboard under Transaction History. In this tutorial, we learned how to withdraw money from Fundrise by requesting a redemption, selecting an amount, linking a bank account, and waiting for processing. Understanding the timeline helps you plan your finances better. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.